Hello Nitesh.
Hi student, how are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing?
I am just creating an assignment that we have given to us.
Have you created the PDF file?
What? PDF?
Yeah.
But I don't know how to create a PDF.
Even I don't know.
Then?
Oh,
no.
Hello Nitesh.
Hi
I
student.
feel.
What happened to you? Why are you so upset?
There's a problem. We both don't know how to create a PDF.
Yeah, tell me brother, what is it?
Please help us how to create a PDF.
Oh, PDF. Yeah, sure. Give me a seat. Now, I will tell you both the quickest ways to create a PDF. You both, please watch this carefully. Okay.
I hope you all are doing superb at your homes. Friends, in this video, I will give you a quick demo of making a PDF document. We can make PDF documents of our homework and answer sheets and can easily send to our respected teachers. So, the first step is to have special applications. You can even use special websites which are designed to convert any standard photo into PDF. So, in this video, I will show you the most quickest two methods. First is to use websites. You will need to open a web browser, go to the search engine. On the search bar you need to type PDF conversion websites. Once we have typed it, we will be bombarded with a lot of websites which are capable of converting any format to PDF. We can go to these websites and can upload our standard photos to get PDF as a result. This was the first method. Another method, and the most preferred one, is to use an application. If we go to Play Store and search PDF conversion applications on the search bar, we will get lot of applications which are capable of converting any format into PDF. In my case, I have downloaded Scanboard Pro application. This is the application. You can download any other application like this. Most of them have the similar home page like this. The first step to make a PDF is to upload the photos to the device. For this, we will click on the add button. Our camera will be open and we can click photos of the pages we want to upload as a PDF. We need to keep our hands steady for a crystal clear photo. It will take some time to convert. This is the first page of the document. Now if we want to add one more page, you can add as many pages as you want by clicking on the add button. If you want to add one more page, you need to click on the add button and you can click photo of the second page also, like this. This was just a demo. Again, if you want to add a third page, you can repeat the process. You can repeat the process until or unless we are satisfied. After that, once we have clicked all the photos of the pages, we need to click on the save button located on the top right side of the screen. We will be greeted with two options. Rather, we want to save all the photos as a combined document, or you want to save all the photos we clicked as separate PDF files. We will choose either of those, whichever satisfies our need. Now we will click on the share button. We will share it as a PDF. Here we can choose between various apps from where we can send our files to our friends or teachers. We can either WhatsApp or email or print, or we can Bluetooth also, or we can use Bluetooth also to share our PDF file.
Wow, it's so easy. Thank you, Sushil.
Social distancing, friends. I hope you too have learned something, the new and easiest ways to create a PDF. Thank you for watching this video.